To fix mobile network not available in S24 Ultra, the first way is you're going to open settings and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see general management. Then we're going to scroll and we're going to select reset. And we're first going to reset mobile network settings. Once you tap reset settings, it will ask for your login. And then make sure you tap reset one more time. Turn off your Wi-Fi and check if the network starts working. If it doesn't, then get your SIM ejector tool and remove the SIM card off of your S24 Ultra. Then get the physical SIM and we're just going to use our t-shirt or a towel and we're going to rub this yellow side here. So we just give it a little clean. What may be happening is the contact point, which is this yellow point of the SIM card, is not working properly because of dust or grime. So if we just give this a nice rub, that should help the contacts. Then you put the SIM card back into the tray and we put the SIM card back into the phone. If still not working, you'll need to go to your carrier's website and start a live chat or call them with another phone that has the SIM working.